The U.S. pulls out of the Iran nuclear deal, Disney continues to impress investors, Walmart buys the Amazon of India, Ford halts production on its most popular truck, and Apple teams up with Wall Street for a credit card. How it all impacted the markets in this week's weekly wrap-up. Welcome to the Zillow Reports Weekly Wrap-Up, where we take a look at a few of the biggest stories that impacted the financial markets over the past week. On Monday, the Dow closed up 94 points, pulling back from even higher gains after President Trump tweeted that he will announce his decision on the Iran nuclear deal on Tuesday. Zillow reported earnings beating EPS estimates by a penny, and revenue of $299 million was in line with analyst estimates. Hertz Global missed EPS estimates by 28 cents, but beat on revenue by $90 million. On Tuesday, the market closed up 9 points after President Trump announced that the U.S. is leaving the Iran nuclear accord. A few big names that reported earnings on Tuesday were Disney, TripAdvisor, Valeant, Papa John's, and Dish Network. Disney beat EPS estimates by 14 cents and revenue estimates by $490 million. TripAdvisor beat EPS estimates by 14 cents and revenue estimates by $15.8 million. Valeant Pharmaceuticals beat revenue estimates by $50 million. Papa John's missed EPS estimates by 12 cents and missed revenue estimates by $14.3 million. And Dish Network reported earnings per share of 70 cents, which was in line with analyst estimates, but missed revenue estimates by $40 million. On Wednesday, the market closed up 182 points. One of the stories that moved the markets on Wednesday was Walmart buying a controlling stake in India's Flipkart. We touched on this a few weeks ago when Amazon was said to be making a competing bid for Flipkart. Why is Flipkart so important? Well, it's considered to be the Amazon of India. With India's population, Flipkart could pay big dividends for Walmart in the future. Qualcomm announced a $10 billion buyback plan, which I think is a good idea at these prices. And Roku reported earnings beating EPS estimates by 8 cents and revenue estimates by $9.4 million. Groupon also reported earnings beating estimates by 3 cents and revenue by $22.7 million. On Thursday, the market closed up 196 points. Some stories that impacted the markets were the fire at a Central Michigan auto parts supplier, which has caused a shortage of parts throughout the auto industry. Ford announced that it will halt the production of its F-Series pickup truck. In other news, Apple is said to be teaming up with Goldman Sachs on a credit card. That really doesn't help the digital pay/Apple Pay movement, does it? Nvidia reported earnings beating earnings per share estimates by 39 cents and revenue estimates by $310 million. Yelp beat EPS estimates by 2 cents and revenue estimates by $2.83 million. And Dropbox, reporting its first earnings as a public company, reported earnings per share of 8 cents, which beat analyst estimates by 6 cents, and revenue of $316 million, which beat estimates by $7.6 million. On Friday, the market closed up 91 points, making that 7 straight green days in a row. Overall, the markets closed up for the week. The S&P closed at 2727, the Dow closed at 24,831, and the Nasdaq closed at 7,402. In crypto news, a raid by South Korean prosecutors on the offices of Upbit, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, may have caused a sell-off in cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is pulled back after looking like it was going to break $10,000 last weekend. It's now trading in the $8,600 range. Ethereum is trading at $691. Ripple is trading at 69 cents. Bitcoin Cash was trading at $1,404. EOS was trading at $15.13. And Litecoin was trading at $140.25 at the time of this recording. Crude oil had a great week, closing at $70.56 per barrel. A big winner for the week is Trade Desk, TTD, which saw a 51% increase this week. A big loser for the week is Symantec, SYMC, which lost over 30% of its value on Friday. Thank you for checking out the Zillow Reports Weekly Wrap-Up. This channel and website are dedicated to anyone who wants to start investing but isn't sure how or where to start. You can find out more at CivilleReport.com. Thanks again for watching, and may your next investment be your best investment.